Hello, everyone. I just want to briefly talk about your next assignment and how I would like this to work. Okay, so on the website, as always, it's going to be there. I put it up in two formats. So here's the PDF copy. Okay, it's the same way the other assignments have gone, right? We have two parameters here, right? Alpha is the second letter of your first name, and beta is the second letter of your last name. Okay, there's four questions there. Okay, all to do with lines and planes. At the moment, okay, you've covered everything you need to do number 1 and 2, and we'll learn the rest of it um, during this week. Okay. So in terms of completing this, okay, I know some of you in the past have, basically scanned or taken photos of your assignment and sent it in, okay, which totally works. Just as an option for this, I made a template in Google Docs. So the link is on the website. Okay, so I'll open it up and you have to be signed in to Google Drive to look at the doc. Okay. And then what I want you to do is just go to File and go to Make a Copy and save a copy. Like you should only be able to see it. You wouldn't be able to edit this directly. So you make your own copy, save it to your drive. Okay. And then I just have the four questions on separate pages and there's space there. So if it helps, right, as you complete a question, okay, you could either type it in here if you want to type it, okay, or just take a photo with your phone, right, and upload the photo and put it underneath the question. And that would just help keep it organized and easy for me to follow and for you to follow, and just make sure that, you indicate which one you would want to be for bonus, okay? Um, if you are fine with just doing it on paper and scanning in and send it to me that way, that's fine as well. Okay. The other little tip I'm going to suggest, okay, and I know I put the video up on Friday about GeoGebra, okay, is it may help for some of these questions where you can to draw it out, okay. And when I say draw, like I don't mean make a super technical drawing, okay, but just give a rough idea of what's going on. So like for this question number 2, where it's perimeter area of a triangle, okay, it might help you to draw, okay, just visualize the different things in space or plot them on GeoGebra so you can see what they look like. And then that will probably give you a good clue as to what you have to figure out in order to solve the question, okay? Like some of them are more straightforward, right? What's the intersection of this? What's the distance of that? But yeah, again, the tool is there, so I encourage you to do that. If you did and you want to take a picture of it to show me that this is what I did for my setup, that would be awesome. Okay, I would really appreciate that. Okay, I currently have the due date for next week. I think I put it on Tuesday. Let me just check. Oops. But yeah, okay, I put it on Monday. I could move it to Tuesday if needed. Okay. Hopefully this week I'll be able to figure out what's going up with the quizzes, and towards the end of the week I'll post practice ones. But make sure you're sending me in questions. Okay. And if there's questions you have about anything, just let me know. Or if something's not working or you don't have great internet access at the moment, please share it with me so we can work something out. Okay. But yeah, there's your next assignment. Okay. Same format as the previous ones. Okay, and hopefully we'll get that handed in sometime next week, hopefully on Monday. Okay, thanks for watching. And again, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me.